Alright guys, we are taking down our bimini top, our ghetto bimini top with a top, because we're getting ready to take off the hard top. We gotta take it off because we need to be able to sand the cap and paint it and stuff, and we're approaching that phase of the build. So we're gonna get it off now, and yeah, it'll go on once the cap is painted. We'll be putting it back on then. Wow, it's been forever since we seen her without that on there. Could really see the design of the boat now, eh? What you guys think of the color? I like the blue on white. Maybe do something a little bit on the hard top. Put a little accent up there somewhere maybe to tie it in. What you think? What do you guys think about that? There's a bunch of these self-tapping, look like number 8 screws securing this to the windshield. And look, yeah, flat. Look, they're slotted screws. There's some corrosion going on and some of them are stuck in there. Yeah. I don't know. Let's see if some blowers will loosen them up. This ain't the best screwdriver either. Two wrench here. I'm gonna loose this from outside. I'm sure I just got a nut. Okay, this one's off now too. Okay. That's the wire that goes to the white line. I guess so. Yeah, that's the white wire. Not in very good condition. No, I wouldn't expect it to be. Alright, let's reach me that screwdriver. Let's try these. See if any of them will come out. One. one head off. Yeah, you have fun. You do the next one. You could come now. We need your help now. Yeah, come. We need help with these screws. Okay. That's two. Get the last one. Then we can do the other side, and then let's get go. Good. It's almost go time. I say you all come here, lift this, you gotta break this silicone seal. The three, you all come up here and lift this. We gotta lift this hard top, separate it from the windshield. Alright, go.
Ready?
Ain't nothing happening. Oh, tiny side move.
But let me get your side, man. Alright. Yeah, that it is.
In the middle, we ain't miss a screw in the middle, eh, Tani?
It might be. It might be a screw in the middle of mine, but the way how it is. Yeah,
You think so?
should be. Yeah, because the way how.
Careful now, you ain't want it.
Push up on your side, Tani. Is there a knife?
That could be those two screws we drill out, you know.
Oh, yeah, thinking.
They coming back to bite us. Y'all want to see if you could lift it from the back, and then you could use leverage to pry it out? No? Feel like it freeing, Nicholas? Lift that.
Let me know.
Yeah, that's not too much. Where is it?
You ready to keep pushing it? Alright, hold on.
Where is this?
Hold on, I'm going to push it up.
Yes, help guy, push it up, man. It's coming out.
Hey, coming on. I'm going to push it up. Let's go. 3,
Go.
2, 1. think that is, boy?
I have no idea.
Come, boy. I ain't seen no color yet.
Get him.
He right down there, though.
Oh, go away from the anchor. Don't go right anchor.
Huh? Look at this. I see it. That ain't no shark. That's a big fish, boy. Yes, boy. Pull that in, boy.
Yeah.
Take it. Hmm? Yes, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.